Does the injection of vitamin K make the baby's blood thicker and stop stem cell proliferation? So let's talk about what vitamin K actually does in the body. So vitamin K is like putting the car key in your car to turn on the engine. Vitamin K itself does not cause the blood to clot. What it does is it activates lots of enzymes, lots of prothrombin clotting products as such, to activate your clotting cascade. So it's like putting your car key in the engine of your car, turning it on. That then sets in motion a range of different processes so that your car can drive. Similar to vitamin K. By giving the baby vitamin K, what that does is it activates other enzymes, other cofactors, so that your blood is able to clot when it needs to. Now, what does make blood thicker is like excessive red blood cells, for example. Excessive clotting factors like fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is a clotting factor, but it's not impacted in terms of metabolism by vitamin K. Vitamin K impacts on your prothrombin factors, which are separate to fibrinogen. And prothrombin factors do not make your blood any thicker. Things like dehydration, lifestyle factors, and certain medical conditions can make your blood thicker. As for stem cells, the best thing parents can do is to delay the cord clamping, not immediately cut and clamp the cord. There are thousands upon thousands of stem cells within this lovely cord coming through from the placenta. That goes into your baby. This is long before vitamin K actually goes into your baby. So this is immediately post-birth. You keep the cord attached to the placenta and all those stem cells will transfer into your baby. Now, in relation to stem cell proliferation, so proliferation is rapidly increasing the amount of stem cells. Now, what's really interesting is with vitamin K in adults, they are currently doing lots of research studies either on adults or on animal studies, and they're finding that certain types of vitamin K may improve proliferation. Now, the studies on adults and in animals are small, just to make that clear. Now, there are no studies on the impact of vitamin K injection and stem cells after birth because this would be highly unethical. For stem cell collection in babies, you would have to keep them attached to a machine that basically takes out the blood, takes out the stem cells for hours on end. That's how you get it out of the blood if you were collecting stem cells from an adult, for example, or a bone marrow extraction for stem cells, both of which are highly unethical to do a research study on. So what does this mean? Well, there is a lot of mixed research. There is some evidence that highlights that in human and animal studies, vitamin K and certain types can improve proliferation. Others actually show that it doesn't improve proliferation. Every study so far is different. We are still in its infancy in relation to vitamin K, and most of the research looks at vitamin K2 rather than vitamin K1, which is the injection that's given to babies after birth. But we will never know the impact on babies because of the unethical practice of being able to collect stem cells and research it. To conclude, vitamin K does not thicken your baby's blood, and in addition, we have no data on the impact on stem cells on babies because of the unethical practices of being able to collect the stem cells for research purposes. And in adults, the research is mixed. Some show benefits, improved proliferation, others do not.